XREAL 1SR AR glasses review. Real 500-inch spatial cinema proof that replaces your screen. You are watching Netflix on a 6-inch phone screen again. Neck bent at that angle your chiropractor specifically told you to stop doing. Last Tuesday, you watched an entire movie with your screen brightness on max just to see it clearly. Type guilty if this is your life right now. Because honestly, why are you still treating a phone like it is a cinema? That screen squinting habit is quietly suffocating your downtime, your focus, your gaming sessions, and every flight you have ever tried to enjoy. You were not built for 6 inches of entertainment. What if a genuinely immersive, theater-scale screen was already one USB-C cable away from changing all of that? Keep watching, because what comes next is the part nobody talks about enough. Then I put on the XREAL 1S AR glasses and everything got stupidly quiet. Don't just pick any AR smart glasses. Make sure they have a dedicated spatial computing chip with native 3 degrees of freedom so you never feel that nauseating, laggy, motion-sick disaster everyone keeps complaining about ever again. Here is what actually happens. The 500-inch virtual screen wraps your vision in a floating theater that goes everywhere you go without ever getting heavy. The X1 chip delivers 3 millisecond motion-to-photon latency, so head movement feels glued to reality instead of chasing it. Dual Sony micro OLED panels at 1200p per eye make every frame look individually color-tuned and razor-sharp edge-to-edge. Bose co-tuned spatial audio turns open-ear sound into a concert you wear. Photochromic lenses adjust automatically so you never squint or fumble. Real 3D mode converts flat content into spatial depth instantly with one switch. At 2:47 a.m. with a client presentation due in 3 hours, I pulled everything together on a virtual 500-inch workspace and delivered on time. The clarity feels like cold water on a burned-out brain. There is one hidden viewing mode that most owners never activate. Comment setup and I will tell you exactly what it is. Here is how the benefit chain actually works. You save hours of eye strain daily. That saved energy converts into sharper focus during work and deeper immersion during play. Sharper focus compounds into real performance gains. And real performance gains produce results that genuinely shut rooms up. An AR technology expert who reviewed the X1 chip architecture called it the world's first spatial computing processor purpose-built for glasses, not adapted from phone silicon, which is why the latency feels categorically different from anything else in this category. One creator with a large tech following quietly admitted the X1 Reality 1S AR glasses made their travel setup feel embarrassingly good compared to everything they had reviewed before. Analysts tracking the extended reality hardware market noted that native 3 degrees of freedom at this weight class and price point represents a structural shift in accessible spatial computing. One raw user dropped this in the comment section. At 82 grams, I genuinely forget I am wearing a 500-inch screen. I watched someone put these on for the first time and just go completely silent for 30 seconds. Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for clarity, 2 for speed, 3 for focus. The number one objection I hear is that AR glasses are complicated to set up. The XREAL 1S is plug and play with any USB-C DisplayPort device, including iPhone 17, 16, and 15, and Switch 2. 0 apps required, which makes that excuse genuinely funny in hindsight. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily. Tell me your device in the comments, and let us figure out your setup together right now. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire entertainment and work life the moment they stopped squinting at small screens forever. The XREAL 1S AR glasses gives you a private spatial cinema, Bose-tuned audio, and native 3 degrees of freedom tracking in 82 grams of pure daily upgrade. First link in the description. I pinned it to the top because I am not letting you miss this. Go check it. You already know this is yours.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.